I'm Piers Morgan. If you think you've seen your favourite people interviewed, think again. The art of an interview is about getting truth out of your guest. Get away from the caricature, get away from the PR image, get away from how they may want to come across. Get to the real person. That requires proper interviewing skill. Come on, guys. I made Simon Cowell cry.
Don't know this about me.
To go beyond borders.
Hii ni CNN.
Being welcomed in the United Arab Emirates, Dubai, the location here, the Burj Khalifa, one of the tallest buildings in the world, and yet another spectacular fireworks display being put forward as 2011 comes into being. 2010 in the past now. Let's pause. Let's just look at a little bit of this. This is a spectacular building, a spectacular piece of architecture. And it looks like the fireworks they plan to put on in this New Year's celebration are about to match it. Fireworks cascading down from the sky. Certainly one of the most spectacular displays that we have seen to welcome in 2011. That's coming against a backdrop of economic troubles that are expected as the country still, the Emirates still tries to battle its way back after the economic problems around the globe in 2008. At the same time, facing two political problems in the Arab world. That's probably going to be one of the most brilliant displays we see in the Arab world, although we haven't seen them all yet. But, you know, the problems like Somalia, the failed state, what to do about Sudan, a country that faces problems just in the coming couple of weeks as the South votes in a historic referendum. I'm Jim Clancy at the CNN Center. You are with World One. We've been watching, you know, hour by hour. It's been fascinating as New Year's celebrations come in waves across cities all around the globe. Let's go back, take a look at some of the way that it all got underway. Here's Hong Kong's Victoria Harbor, welcoming in 2011. This was a pyrotechnic show that promised to outshine